So what are we making, Raj?
Pasta with whatever is available in India.
I see. Means we have the garlic, right?
Yeah, so what we did is we went and brought two types of pesto from Europe. One is walnut ricotta, one is rosso. Which one do you think we should do today?
Which one would you prefer?
I mean, you are the one who's gonna eat. I have rice for me.
Then
So.
yeah, pasta. This one maybe.
Okay, walnut ricotta.
Yeah, walnut ricotta.
So that is what we are going with. Okay, and let's go.
So we have this pasta-licious pasta brand that we never saw in Europe, which is understandable. It's like a locally made Italian style. It's from durum wheat semolina pasta.
Yeah.
So will it be good, do you think?
Yeah, durum wheat is the wheat that is they used to make pasta actually with.
Okay, nice.
That is what has the soft and stretchiness without breaking. So high quality wheat.
Okay.
That's
good.
what it's very the one of the costliest thing you can grow in wheat varieties durum wheat to make pasta. You'll get the most money as a farmer if you use durum wheat. Sell durum wheat. The criminal thing of using refined oil.
Refined oil?
No, not refined oil, sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Oh wow, sesame oil.
But any oil, but the logic is any oil you heat long enough, it will lose its smell, so you won't even know. You see, I have made with olive oil puli colombo.
Yeah,
you won't even know that.
Okay, but this is also like a pasta with ricotta and nuts, and I mean sesame, like sesames are also like a kind of nuts, right? At the end.
Yeah,
seeds, nuts. I mean, like they still have like this kind of similar flavor in a way. Maybe it will not be bad with a little bit of sesame flavor.
Yeah. I mean, we have only that, so we have to console ourselves.
Yeah.
So water boils, now let me know. I mean, we can do minimal because we put this garlic and that's all right. Like
Actually so, not much. Yeah, very exactly. Just like
maybe we can turn it off then. So let's do pasta first.
Okay.
Once it's halfway done, then we could make sense, right?
Okay.
This is what we want. We want this.
Yeah, the knife. Yeah, because in Europe we're finding like 20. No, from AliExpress, like we wanted to order, right?
Yeah,
20 pieces.
Yeah.
We don't need so many of those knives.
We need 3-4, maybe, right? Maximum.
Yeah, exactly. So good idea. We need to put it in the list to bring from India. And in Poland, it's not so easy. I mean, I know we have such nice knives, but it's not so easy to get them.
Okay. Pasta to the family too. And let's see how you feel.
So it's mostly for us and just a little for your family, right?
Taste, yeah.
Yeah, okay. How long will it take to boil the water?
High flame, you see. So
it's high flame.
Yeah. See, this is more higher. It even comes outside. See, it boils quicker. That's why if you have big stove, we know, right? In Europe, we have the shittiest stove, man.
Unfortunately.
Yeah,
like the one that we have in our apartment, unfortunately.
It's like what, children's stove? Who the fuck uses that small stove, though? Takes forever to cook anything, man.
I know, right?
We waste more time standing there. Now, I can just put it in high, in 2 minutes it will be boiling, you know? It's so dumb, man.
It's already almost boiling, right? And in Europe, we have to wait... I don't know, like we have to wait for like half an hour for water to boil, because the maximum flame is 6, and for induction, and as you know guys, induction is usually, I mean, not as strong as
you need at least 9 to 10.
9 to 10 levels, right, to really boil something quickly. Like 6, it's impossible to. Even our chapatis, rotis also take so much time because of that. Whenever we make it there, it's like.
And the pans are too big as well.
Yes, exactly. Like the field for the for cooking food, like this. How to call it actually? Like this part, like to cook food.
The hot section,
Yeah,
the circle that has the coil contact with the coil.
Yeah, it's like very small there, so that's why it also takes even longer time. Bigger pans, less space. and yeah, less heat
And
possible.
also we need to start the timer now.
Timer?
And so we are gonna put the quantity. So Olivia is gonna tell me when to stop because she will be eating the majority.
Why not you though? You shouldn't.
Because I am also going to have rice. They have puli kolambu, which I would like to try.
Yeah, I think good enough. We also had the halva before, so we don't have to eat like so much actually.
Yeah. Awesome. Now salt and timer for 13 minutes. Always follow the instructions of the packet because that's what most people don't do. They just boil pasta randomly. It either is too hard, al dente, extreme, or soggy. So always follow the packet timer. So 13 minutes is the time to turn it off. So we are using refined oil and the first Italian crime, and then we have put fine chopped garlic. Oh, we should have brought oregano though. Did we bring?
But wait, how about the no, from Domino's, right? There are those small packages. No, I actually don't have them.
Oh no.
Oh no, now it would be useful. I just didn't think of it. Because we had Domino's like 2-3 days ago. We could have brought those small pouches with oregano.
Yeah. Nicely golden. So we can have one, and I told my father to get more if he finds something.
Yeah, 1 or 2 more maybe.
Not he said 3 or 4 more. I said.
Or even that, yeah.
It's a good knife though. Probably whoever we give will use it extensively.
Yeah. So taking a spoon.
Yeah, finding a fork will be.
Or fork maybe might not be easy. Oh, there is a fork. Easy. Wow.
Because why it's a wow? Because in India everybody eats with hand. We rarely use spoons, so it's like nightmare to search for a fork every time we come. When you don't have a strainer, you use a plate to strain it. We did it! Italian pasta in India. What if we had pepper, Pepper would be good. Maybe some lime juice too, but it's fine. Okay, Olivia, it's done. You need to try it.
So give me a fork.
Yup. Blow it. On salt? Little bit salt?
More salt. Like half of this small spoon maybe. Yeah, more salt, right?
I mean, very little, I would say, if you ask me.
So these are the portions for the families, so that they just try it, you know? Yeah. It's like no fork, just something else, like a spoon.
Yeah, because they will struggle to use it in... Okay, this is something okay. Let's go and check everybody.
Okay.
First time pasta.
First time pasta trying.
How is it? No, ஒரே எப்படி இருக்கு? She says with curd rice puli kolambu, it looks somewhat like a tangy, right?
Too tangy, I understand,
Old people, they are just struggling.
So can you now give me some food?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, family of Raj was not such a fan. like father, mother, and brother tried it.
But you know what I would say? This pesto is a very unique one,
That's true.
If you use penne arrabbiata or something, you see they could have liked it, you know. We should have brought penne.
Also with more Italian products like the cheeses, they also add a lot to the pasta.
Or alla calabrese, those things might be really good. But this is okay. Maybe rosso we can give a try again and see if they like it, right?
Okay, then I will take it to my room then. So that's all from this video and the pasta that we have.
I love it actually. Very biased, but I love it. Missing the Italian food.
Yeah, so thank you for watching and see some other video. Bye.